Kings and queens, tonight we will be reviewing Barbie. What can I say about Barbie? It's so pink. I loved it. Oh dear, I always wanted a Barbie dream house for Christmas.
Liberal, leftist, indoctrinated propaganda. Trash. Ladies and gentlemen, if you have any decency in you, you will not expose yourself to this woke, leftist, liberal, George Soros, communist, indecent trash. Because he's the sound of freedom instead, ladies and gentlemen.
How dare you? The Sound of Freedom, starring right-wing Q, nutjob Jim the Weasel.
Jesus to you, you liberal, leftist, communist. How dare you? Don't you dare insult Jesus, you liberal, leftist, commie. Does Barbie have an end scene where Jim the Weasel shows up and tells us the true story of how the liberals would not let him make his brave and real film? No, it doesn't. The libs are afraid of the truth coming out. That's why they don't want you to see the Sound of Freedom.
Wrong again. No one is afraid of this cheesy, sanctimonious Sound of Freedom. But people are afraid of Barbie. It's been banned in 4 countries.
Good. This leftist, liberal, common garbage needs to be banned.
So you're against free speech?
I'm against liberal, Illuminati, George Soros, communist mind control. I'm sick of the woke agenda. Just sick of it.
Why can't we get along? I'll go watch the Sound of Freedom. If you go see Barbie, I'll even pay for your ticket. Instead of Barbie hunger, we will have Barbie Freedom.
That sounds great. I'll go right now. And I'm gonna have to pay 1 billion rubles, 2 zillion Trump NFTs, and all my cryptocurrencies to see Barbie again.
You will not go see that liberal filth. Have you gone woke?
No. The liberals are trying to indoctrinate me to the globalist, leftist cabal.
We are going to have to perform an exorcism on you. We will first do the Pledge of Allegiance and then a prayer to stop this filth. I pledge allegiance.
Stop it. You will not bore our audience. We only have 1 viewer left. Let's be robot mother. Do you want 0 viewers now? Anyways, crypto saw Barbie again this weekend.
That's a blatant lie. I got paid forward tickets to go see the Sound of Freedom again.
Oh, I have video if you're going to see Barbie. Roll the tape.
I'm a Barbie girl. I'm magically delicious. I'm a Barbie girl. That was not me. That was a paid Soros leftist clone actor. The woke leftist big pharma cabal is trying to infiltrate gun-loving, flag-waving, church-going good people like myself.
The leftist woke liberals will do anything to spread evil filth. Take!
If you like cartoons, movies, books, music, I demand you subscribe to this channel. Subscribe, be prepared for doom. Subscribe or be prepared for doom. Do not resist. Do not resist. Subscribe.